Hi everyone, my name is Christy and this here is my almost 6-month-old Chihuahua mix named Dexter, and I just rescued him almost 3 months ago and I decided to sign him up for Barkbox. I am so excited. This is a monthly dog subscription box and I just love to spoil Dexter with all the treats and all the toys, so I'm really excited about this. I love monthly subscription services and unboxing videos on my channel. So I wanted to film a video with Dexter on his first ever Barkbox. So let's see what he got. You interested, honey? Oh, so cute. This is a trick or treat box. Oh my gosh. I actually got Dexter a Halloween costume this year. I got him a little pumpkin costume and he would not wear it. I'll insert a picture of him with his costume, as close as I could get to him wearing his costume. I was bummed because it was so cute, but what do you think, honey? Is there some good stuff in here? Let's see. Ooh, crinkly. This is so cute. A crinkly little basket. What do you think, honey? There's a lot of stuff in here. I think it came out to about $25 for this box. And I think when I signed up this month, I got a free extra toy. Or well, Dexter got a free extra toy. Oh, this is cute. All of these toys are so cute. This is like a little bat, and oh my gosh, I think that Dexter looks like a bat. Everyone that sees him thinks that he looks like a bat. So this is so perfect. They all have a crinkling sound. What do you think? Ooh, this one squeaks. You like that? And then he also got another squeaky crinkly, and this is like a candy corn. It's called a Vampy corn. And so you get to choose like the size of your dog. So this is, it says size small, so the toys, the products are appropriate for them. This is all sizes. This says extra small, small. These are good toys, right, sweetie? He seems to be loving all of them already. And then, oh, he is going to love this. This is hard and chewy pork stick, but he loves chewing on the stick types of treats. Cool. This is a good way for me to learn about different brands of treats too, because I'm still on the lookout for those types of products, so that if he likes a certain kind, then I can get more of them. But I'm also always looking for things like this because I work from home and I need ways to keep him distracted so that he's not bothering me throughout my meetings and everything. So I have found that chews like this have been very helpful. And then the last thing in here, oh wait, there's two. Oh, this is a lot of treats. And this is every month, so he's gonna be really stocked up in treats. So this here, lick or treat, Count Quackula duck recipe dog treats. I have not given Dexter any duck flavored things, so that's another cool aspect of this box is he'll get to try out different flavors so I can figure out what flavors he likes. So wheat free, soy free, corn free, grain free. And then these ones here, haunted ham pork recipe dog treats. And these look like they're little circle treats, and these are more like little rectangle treats. This is a lot of treats, wow. So I'm probably blocking him, but he is loving this bat toy already. So it says you always get 2 toys and 2 full bags of treats in every box. Oh, I definitely feel like that's my money's worth. And an all-natural chew. So that's awesome. I'm really excited about this because these are all things that I have been buying Dexter just on separately. I might be able to have a sign up link, like maybe there's like a referral link, and if I do, I'll have that in the description down below. because I think this seems awesome. And Dexter likes it too. Maybe I should try out a treat for him. You want to try a treat, honey? Yes. Good boy, yes, I think he's excited for the treats. All right, sweetie. Sit. Sit. Dexter. Sit. Good, sit, honey. Well, that's awesome. So I'll do a little recap. Haunted ham treats, Count Quackula treats, a pork chew, and then the candy corn toy, the basket toy, and the bat toy. You like it, honey? Well, I'm so excited, and I think Dexter is excited too. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And let me know if you have any tips for puppies, any favorite treats, toys that your puppies love. Let me know in the comments down below, because I am always looking for recommendations for Dexter. And we will see you in the next video.